How to restore WhatsApp messages on iPhone. If you need to restore WhatsApp messages on your iPhone, whether you've purchased a new device or accidentally deleted the app, there are two reliable methods to recover your chats. The first method involves using the WhatsApp backup feature. Open the WhatsApp app on your iPhone, navigate to Settings at the bottom right, and tap on Chats, followed by Chat Backup. Here, you can check if your chats have been backed up to the cloud, along with the date and time of the most recent backup. If a backup exists, all you need to do is reinstall WhatsApp on your new or reset device, log in with your phone number, and follow the prompts to restore your messages from the cloud. This is a straightforward and efficient way to retrieve your conversations. The second method uses iCloud backups. Open your iPhone Settings app and tap on your name at the top to access your Apple ID settings. Select iCloud and scroll down to find Show All under Apps using iCloud. Ensure that WhatsApp is listed and toggled on, which confirms that its data is included in the iCloud backup. Next, go back to the iCloud settings, select iCloud Backup, and confirm that WhatsApp is part of the most recent backup. You'll also see the backup size listed. To restore your messages using this method, reset your iPhone and choose to restore it from an iCloud backup during the setup process. This will reinstate all apps and their associated data, including your WhatsApp chats.